Hello, welcome to Heritage Ford here in Corydon, Indiana. Today I'd like to demonstrate one of our previously owned vehicles that we've taken in trade. This is a 2019 Ford Flex. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. It's got 19-inch wheels on her. If you come around the back here, you can see it's got a Class 3 trailer hitch, chrome-plated exhaust tips. Right here's your backup camera. And this is the limited edition, so it's got more features than most. And it does have a power tailgate. And all these seats will fold down flat, so this whole area will be completely open for storage. And use the same clicker to close it. And it does have LED taillights. And you've got other sensors right here built in your bumper, each side, and your back step, which is really nice. This does have a 3.5 V6 engine in it, and it does have a 6-speed automatic transmission, select shift. And if you look up here, you can see it has the sunroof and the panoramic roof. So when you open that, almost your whole top is a sunroof. You've got your sensors also on the bumper for side. Somebody comes along your side. LED fog lights. And as you can see, this is a really good shaped vehicle. It's got right around 100,000 miles on it. As you can see, this vehicle seats 6 people very comfortably. You got bucket seats here in the front, and you got 2 in the back, which will fold completely down. And you've got your air and heat controls for the rear right down here. This does have heated seats, heated and cooled, heated steering wheel, plus heated mirrors. And then bulkier controls are right on your steering wheel. You can adjust your radio, you can set your cruise control. It's all right there. All right, let's take it for a short little test drive here. This vehicle does come with dual climate control, which is really nice. And a lot of all your controls are right here on this LED screen. You can adjust your audio, climate, phone, navigation. Do it all from right here within a hand's reach. And like I said, it does have the heated mirrors, which is really nice during this cold weather. The Flex is a good all-around vehicle because you seat 6 and you've still got plenty of storage in the back. It's a very smooth riding vehicle. And with this vehicle, if you combine your highway and city mileage, you're looking at an average of 19 miles per gallon. What I want to do is just take it up here and show you the acceleration and how it handles the curves. It really does a great job. And as you can see, this vehicle looks as good as it does inside as it does outside. Well maintained. You can see we got plenty of get up and go. In case you need to get out of somebody's way. And we've only had this vehicle a few days, and we've had a lot of interest in it already. It does an excellent job holding the road. All right, so this is the end of our little demonstration here today. I hope you liked it. You can get more information on our website at www.heritage.com, where you can look up every vehicle we have in stock, a full set of pictures, and all the information you ever need to know about them. If you have any other questions, you can call one of our product specialists here at 812-738-3284. And thank you very much for your time. Bye.